Hi, this is Newt with a minute of medicine for your mind. You ever try to, connect with a group of people or a person and they just not really feeling you the way you want them to feel you? I mean, it could be them people at work, that large group that emails each other and, eats lunch and everything, laughing and joking. Or those people at church, the family that's been there the longest, or they sit together on the same pew, or they sing the loudest or pray the longest. Or if you're in high school, the girls that dress real nice and all the guys like them and they eat together at lunch and they're the loudest ones walking down the hall. Or the athletes that like to tend to hang together and be cool and macho and strong. They won't let you in the crew. You trying, but they won't let you in the crew. I got news for you. They're never going to let you in the crew. They're never going to feel you like you want them to feel you. You know why? Because God only gives you favor in the lives of people who matter towards your destiny. You see, if someone doesn't matter towards your destiny, then you won't have favor in their life. And because God, operates in a sequence. He operates on purpose with a purpose, and everything's done intentionally towards an expected end. Favor doesn't just happen. It's already there. So if they haven't already given you favor in their life, the chances are they don't, which means they're not really mattering towards your destiny. So stop wasting all your time and getting stressed out and working real hard to try to connect with people who are only, hindering your purpose, putting you in compromising situations, stunning your growth, or making you, compromise your values, or whatever the case may be. Chill on that. Stop. Don't do that. If they haven't given you favor in their life, then they don't matter. This is Newt with a minute of medicine for your mind.